Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, so I just picked up this product from Cool Tint 604. It's the door cut protectors, and it's made by 3M. So I thought that'd be a good idea to install in these cars. It goes, you guys are probably aware, it goes right under here in this area, right here on all the doors. You get 4 of them in the set, and they're not that expensive. About 20 bucks for all 4. So especially if you guys have like dark colors, I've noticed, because I've had a black Accord before, like with this one especially, it gets scratched up really bad in here. And you can see it more in dark colors, of course. And it's really hard, like when you wax it or try to buff it, it's so hard to get between here. You can't really use a buffer either. So I thought it's a good idea to add some more protection to it. So like I said, they're easy, wet install, same thing. You just, I mean, as you can tell, it's been raining, but I'm gonna clean it up, the area, and you just slide them in position and then hold your finger in the middle and then squeegee the water out. So I'll go ahead and do that. I just thought that's a good idea, especially for 20 bucks to help protect here, especially if you guys have maybe like the dark gray color, the dark blue or black. Those colors will show scratches a lot more, of course. And like I said, it's an easy way to protect it. And with the 3M, you shouldn't really see too much of a line, just a little bit here. But I mean, 3M makes good stuff. So, and I actually called a local tint shop that actually did my windows, these windows, and asked them how much they would charge for 3M. And they were gonna charge, I think it was $15 a door. So about 60 bucks. And that was supposedly a little discount. So, I mean, for 20 bucks, do it yourself. You can't really beat it, and they'll add some protection. So I'll go ahead and get that going and see how it looks. So I just got them all installed here. Really easy. With that one, you saw the first one. Here's the back one. You can see it right up here. Right there. It's real nice. Like I said, with my favorite part so far is how it feels. Instead of like feeling your nails on the paint, it's nice. You can tell there's a thickness in there that'll protect it. And for, I think they're $19.99 for 4 of them. You can't beat it. Really easy. And this was, again, no heat. I mean, you could apply heat, make it even easier, but no need really. They'll cure on their own as the water evaporates out of here. You can see them. There's a little bit right there. See, like that, you just push it and get the moisture out of there. It's fine. And the driver's one. Push it down there. Right here, you see the little layer. It's right there. So just move this to the side. There. And that's kind of stuff, if you use the blow dryer on, would make it a little easier, but you just let it set up, and then when you see the little pockets, you just rub them out. But real nice, I like it. Like I said, definitely if you have dark color cars, I would highly recommend them. Just because scratches in here happen all the time and it's so hard. I've always hated like waxing inside here. But something makes it a little easier, add some more protection to your guys' car. Hope everyone's doing good. Thanks again for watching my videos. Appreciate all the support I'm getting on this channel. It's fun. And I appreciate all the feedback I get too. Take it into consideration when I'm doing my next videos. Thanks everybody, have a good day. So I just went ahead and wiped this area off with a rag. As like I said, it's been raining, so it's still a little wet, but it's not gonna matter since this is a wet install. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna spray the back of it with some water to help slide it in place. Here, I'm just using water, just gonna spray it really good. And then you want to position it. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to hold this, the middle, as I squeegee some of the moisture out of here. that's the right way. Should be right. Yeah, that's wrong. Just so you can easily slide it in position here. So just make the bottom set here. And when you have it where you want it, right there. Yeah. Then I'm just gonna take a plastic tool here and kind of work it. And for this install, I'm not gonna use heat. I mean, you can use it if you wanna just quicken the process here, but you don't need it. All this stuff is pretty easy to use. So see, I'm just working the water out here. And these areas right here, the top, it's gonna have a tendency to want to come off just because it's where the crease is. Just work it around. And same with these. Just gotta work the water out. Once you work the water out, it sits down pretty nice. You know, like I said, it's raining a lot here, so my car's already wet, but if you guys are doing that and it's dry, it'll be a little easier. That should be good there. See, and I'm just making sure I got all the bubbles out, that's all. And like if you guys wanted to use heat, you can put some heat on this right now, and then you can see if there's any air pockets left to be a little quicker, but I'm not gonna worry about it because I know this sets up really well. So just from the normal curing time, it'll be fine. You just wanna work the water out here. It goes up pretty easy. That's it right there. And I'll take a rag and I'll just make sure I got everything. And that's what I like about these protectors, is because it's so hard to get in here, like especially with dark color, like I said. If you have scratches, it's kind of a pain to try to sit here and buff this little area. Because like I said, my black Accord, I had quite a bit of scratches on it. And it's just a nice way to protect it. And it's 3M, it's good quality. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick them up at. Looks good. Show you guys what that looks like. See the edge right here. Let me take it off here, it'll be a little easier. Give you an idea. It's really nice. Barely even tell right there. I mean, especially from a distance, you get there, you can't even see it. Now, I'm sure on a darker color, you're gonna see it a little bit, but that's just the nature of it. When you put any kind of overlays on your car, on a paint, even like if you did they sell this for the hood or the fenders, you know, you're gonna see a line, and it's just more apparent on a darker color car, of course, because of the background of it. But no, I would like them a lot. And you know what's nice about it? Is when you reach in here, the feel of it. You can tell there's something here protecting it because it has a good thickness to this. So you can tell like it's gonna withstand all the scratches, you know. And then if you ever mess one of these up, you can just order another one. Not a problem, but it's easy. That was no heat. So it looks really good. So I would definitely recommend these. I'll go ahead and finish up the other ones and show you guys what that looks like.